Sous vide cooking is perfect for preparing ready-to-serve entrees and is a great tool for advanced food preparation. First, season your food with salt, pepper, herbs, or any other seasoning you like. Next, add the food to a vacuum seal bag to ensure all the flavors stay locked in. Then, seal the bag, leaving no air inside. Create a water bath in a large plastic food box or another large vessel. Next, place your immersion circulator in the water bath. Per manufacturer guidelines, select the appropriate time and temperature for the item you're cooking. When the water is up to the desired temperature, add your vacuum-sealed bag to the water. Remove the food from the bag. If you are cooking meat, now is the time to pat the meat dry and sear it briefly on high heat until a crust develops. Sous vide cooking is an easy and energy-efficient way to prepare restaurant food.